We're here with Claudia, who is the manager of Castello Banfi in Montalcino. She has with her a 2005. There you go. And she's going to tell us a little bit about the vineyard, a little bit about the canteen, and what wines they brought with them today.
Okay, nice to meet you. Thank you. Castello Banfi is a winery founded in 1978 in Montalcino, and nowadays counts about 2,830 hectares of property, 850 of which dedicated to vines. And today we are presenting the wines of the tradition of Montalcino, so the Rosso di Montalcino, the Brunellos, the Brunello Selection, and the Brunello Reserva. So the wines of the most traditionally typical of Montalcino. Since 1978, of course, we are very connected to the terroir. Therefore, we are trying to produce these wines which express the history and the typicality of this land. And of course, the Brunello is our most representative wine in this field. Regarding the bottle I'm holding at the moment, I just wanted to say that Castello Banfi over the last 30 years has made a lot of researches over Sangiovese, which is the most important grape variety for us. And we have done a clonal research over this grape variety, and the bottle I'm holding at the moment is actually the result of this clonal research, because we have selected 3 clones of Sangiovese, planted them in the vineyards nearby the Castello di Poggio alle Mura, which is also owned by our property. And in 1997 we have started to produce this Brunello selection, which is the result of this clonal selection. Apart from the Brunellos, we are also presenting the Florus, which is another DOC appellation from Montalcino, which is a dessert wine, a late harvest, which I invite you to taste later, which is actually a very old tradition in Montalcino that some producers lost along the way, but we are very happy and proud to bring it along, because we are, as I said, very much connected to the terroir, and we are trying to keep on all the tradition.
Do you use 100% Sangiovese always with your wines, or do you use also other, besides the clones obviously?
Right. Of course, for Brunellos and Rosso di Montalcino we use only Sangiovese, but in our portfolio in Montalcino we have planted all the major international varieties, such as Cabernet Sauvignon, Syrah and Merlot for the reds. And also in the beginning of the 80s we were quite brave to plant the most international white varieties, such as Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay and Pinot Grigio, with results that nowadays are satisfying us and our clients very much.
That sounds very interesting. In fact, you're a very well-known company, very known for your great wines abroad, not just in Italy. I think you export probably to almost everywhere in the world?
Yes, we export in more than 85 countries all over the world. Of course, for us, Italy is still one of the most important countries, and we are trying to be present in every region and every province along the national market.
Claudia, thank you so much for joining us today with Wine Indulgence. See you later.